welcome to the mix. And on the mix is Dwayne, and as always, Dwayne is sharing a voice clip of the program, Lorraine's program. Now, there's this lady that's on the program that's speaking, in pertain to Maxine. As you know, Lorraine and Maxine, they are not friends anymore, so they've been having a bit of an issue, as well as, Ashanti and Maxine. So go over and listen to the tape, draw your own conclusion from this, as you're all entitled to your conclusion. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you for making it Mix Up, Blend Up.
From in America. And I make sure you excuse my language, people, because I'm going to use a word. And Christian, them with up on the platform, and Lord, me not disrespect your platform, but I'm going to use a word because I'm going to show Maxine how illiterate she is. You fuck yourself to the vaccine, and you fuck yourself the worst way. Number one, when you come on a platform, and you're going to say Ashanti, you see that video that we do today? Never make you know say I already gone to child protective services in Florida. You hear me tell you?
Yeah. Remember that part. Remember that part.
And you are gonna say,
remember that part. Child protective services.
I'm gonna show you how you're literate and nuts. I want to come on social media and one like you're a bad girl. When you see when child
share the video.
You're becoming afraid of no girl. I'm not afraid of no girl.
Michelle, bad enough.
Child protective services show
bad girl.
Me, Michelle Bradshaw send them. So you see when them come, come to New York, you're a bad boy then for me. Because you see when you come, and you come on social media, you come talk about say, you know say Ashanti is a child molester, out of your mouth it come. You say Ashanti is a child molester, and you pay for your ticket for a child molester come to Florida from New York around your kids. You're an enabler, and you have endangered those children. Right? It's when you ever come out and talk about say me a sniff coke, and the coke from under you me a sniff. The coke where you give me, the coke where Dana send you for give me, and the coke where your son give me drunk. Me work in a legal profession. Me never take no drug yet. And you will have to explain to police drunk the drug pushing that you've been doing by selling your prescription drugs. I bet you a doctor never prescribe another prescription. I tell you, say, don't fuck with me. You don't know who you are dealing with. And you're a damn liar because you come out and I come talk about Ashanti, I talk about Bella, and Bella is a 2-year-old, and Ray. When you did come out the other day, you said you come out the other day, I'm going to show you you're a liar, wicked, dirty drunker. You say your face favor and the hug. You came out on your platform the other day, and you say, Lorraine grandson are wear pampas because he's been molested, drunk, or you forget. All that is going into the courthouse too.
Mighty God.
Right? You come out today and you say that Lorraine husband is Lorraine grandson's father, dirty drunk. You see the dirty careless life where your dirty family live. Don't call my blood clot name and I don't excuse my language here.
I'm still a bad girl. I'm still a bad girl.
Here, you say you sit down, I'm going from your picnic.
Any care about that?
I'm going to need to hold my gun. Allow me deal with. So you see, when you ever come out here and you talk about Dr. Michelle with 7 toe, you must know why you are so my toe. You know, say a 7 toe me have. From me, man, no man never shit in a man.
Share the video. Mix up
sweet. We clear you up on social media, Maxine, you don't know who you play with. You have the audacity to come talk about me and Sniff. What you know about me, girl? Big dirty drinker woman like you take picture of your front and I send to Ashanti. Ashanti could have been your son. You know, the pride.
Lord.
Yeah, 55 and I when me young, a man I run me down, me never put a camera underneath me and take a picture of my front and go, man, you're drunk. I have the audacity to come talk about Lorraine Lauren, teeth your drawers. Lauren can't wear your drawers when they catch them stiff. Eh? You come on social media, come go on like you're big but I tell you the other day, don't play with me because you don't know who I am. I'm in a deal in a gun badness at the law. I'm dealing. I'm gonna tell you straight up. I'm gonna tell your friend them straight up because I'm gonna hide from no girl. I'm gonna hide from no boy. Mr. When Child Protective Services reach out your yard, me, Michelle Bradshaw, send them. Because you see that you see that line the way you do today, you're an accessory. You have put your grandkid in their life in a danger because you come out and you talk and you say Ashanti is a child molester.
Lord.
So how you know I'm gonna show you wicked. I'm gonna take up for Ashanti, you know, because me not deal with Ashanti, but I'm gonna show you a wicked bumble hole. You know so the man is a child molester. And you bring him around your kids. You know so they tell your grandkids. You know so the man is a child molester. You take picture of your friends and go give him.
Lord.
You know so the man is a child molester. And all when him left your yard, you dip on him platform, same way. Because if he never come out against you and grace you, the hand and bumble same way.
Mighty God.
But because he come out on you, because Grace give you a platform, you come and chat shit. Me tell you, drunk or don't play with me. Me say we make you jump off a cliff. You don't know who you deal with. You don't know who you deal with. You come talk about your daughter, Louis this look your drunk girl.
Lord.
I don't need name brand in my life. Because neither you, your daughter, your son, none of you can live like how me I live. I work, I get a paycheck, and I spend it wisely. I spend it wisely. My mother now have to come sit down at my house, come take care of me. Me take care of my mother. Your past,
I'm doing something.
Look at you. Look at you, a big 50-year-old woman who could be Ashanti's mother. And you sit down and spread your dirty foot and take picture of your dirty front. Saying go get Ashanti, you want to come argue with Michelle? You know, in a my league drunk, I say I have 12 pieces of paper going on 13 inside there. So I say I will use them and block, I'm boxing your ass so you can't get up.
Lord.
Remember me tell you that. We tell me education and walk over here, you don't know what I'm to you. But remember me tell you, so you see when the police them come in your yard, because them are going to come in, right? And you see when Child Protective Services come, me not afraid, me I tell you, say, me send them.
Remember that word.
Because you see the tape, you see the chat, it's because you don't run him out. You see the chat where you come on YouTube, come chat to them. You come chat, oh, Ashanti is a child molester, and Ashanti is a Ray. At the same time, you would not show you're stupid or you're dunce or you're fool. And you see when Child Protective Services come, and you see when the police them come question you about your murderous son.
Lord.
When them lock up your beast,
Allegedly.
Accessory to crime, make that not come afar and come bumble clot deal you.
Murder.
Because the Lorient sir, people me not disrespect.